All right. And our family hack for today is turning passive enjoyments into active ones. Often we are complaining at our kids for being on screens or just sitting there on the couch, doom scrolling, right? But we all know that we too can be guilty of that. And so one of the frameworks that often help my families that I see is to think about the things that you really enjoy and then how can you make those things active? Is it okay to watch an NBA game together? Absolutely. But we should be just as often thinking about, are there times when I can be inviting the kids to come out with me to shoot hoops in the driveway, at the park, at the elementary school? If we're talking about playing Mario Brothers, is there a chance for us to use those old Amazon boxes that have been just piling up in the garage and turning that into an obstacle course? And someone wears red and someone wears green, and we're hopping around and getting some steps in, but also having mutual enjoyment together. That allows us to jump into our imaginative mode. And actually, that's part of what the Bluey parents do so well, is jumping and using imagination to actually make that connection. The thing that you enjoy, we actually can experience in the real world in a deeper way. So turn the passive into something active. You can do it.